sa pagpanagat siya amo ang gina-consult.
This journey is absolutely remarkable.
Again, so on behalf of BFAR 11, I would like to extend our warmest congratulations sa lahat.
And we all students have learned and enjoyed this immersion. Thank you.